Now, let me give you a demonstration on how comfortable you can be. This is a hammock, this is a winch, combined on a truck hitch for maximum comfort. Stick your wife in the back and then you just take off down the road. Child attachment. But it's also a very practical thingy. Perfectly legal for when I take it on the road. Driving right by a cop, right by a cop. I'm testing the verticality and aerodynamic ability of comfort. I am so at peace right now. Comfort's not even a problem at this point. I have mastered it. I'm so comfortable that I'm not even worried that we're gonna crash into those trees down there. Don't fall asleep at the wheel, it's not smart. You think this thing likes having a male sitting inside of it all the time? I don't think so. Hey, back. We're gonna go find an edge to lower myself over. Is this cliff steep enough? Trust your machines completely. That's what we're gonna have to do because AI is gonna take over. We're just gonna have to trust it because there's nothing we can do. We've been searching for about a mile, still no cliff. That looks promising. The cliff that we're heading for right now with nobody driving. What good is a winching hammock hitch if it can't extend all the way down a cliff when you have to collect important items? Important item? Here I come. A little bit of parkour. Really only takes about 10 minutes. Bad news, I threw my important item way too far down the hill. I think the battery died, but the good news is you stick your wife in the back and then you just take off down the road, just in time for Valentine's Day. You're driving like you normally would. You also want to make sure she gets some swingage because I'm pretty sure it's scientifically proven that rocking makes people more comfortable. She was super at peace in that moment. She was in her tranquil state. She was tranquilized. So she's laying in there tranquilized. Your wife's gonna love it. Valentine's Day gift. So at peace the whole time and tranquilized. I wasn't terrified at all. Ha! Free tire. Yes, please. Go straight. Hey, stop. No, hey, no. My tire. Damn, clinkers never listen. How far did that go? Lost forever. Oh, I found it. I think it's about 100 yards from when it started rolling away. I'll just take a tire off my truck. I ain't dealing with that, no. There is a design flaw. You can't open your tailgate. But don't worry, I'm gonna fire whoever designed this thing. He's out of here. He's done. Like, how hard is it to make this thing 6 inches longer? Like, come on, really? Sick of that guy. Child attachment. I don't know how to properly display this for you, but children would fit in here great. Now let's try this. Now we have to try driving with it. You teach them how to put the car in drive, and then it just takes off down the road. Now I will display how well this works. It's working great. Both my legs do not fit. Keep her going straight, will you? Jeez. As a big child, I think I'm qualified to show what children want. Ow. Just imagine your child in this. Oh! You know what else I love about my hammock hitch? It's the fact that it's waterproof. Creeks are a natural peace thing. So now I can get super close to the creek. Heck, I'm in the creek. Truly brilliant. Quite the predicament. Driving back, pull front end slides, almost goes off the edge. Gotta work on getting out of here. to get up into this stuff right here where it's not complete ice. It's also an incredible invention for your outdoor camping adventures. Right by the fire. Just be careful not to fall asleep and accidentally spit roast yourself. I'm sure the smell of burnt rubber will wake you up before that happens, but I have to give a disclaimer. I mean, look at the sky up there. So blue. Who needs therapy? Not me. Not only does this provide comfort, but it's also a very practical thingy for moving stuff and log tongues. The amount of effort I have to put in is now 0. I have truly mastered the art of completely avoiding work. Oh no, I went camping with my family, but I found this beautiful log that I want to drag all the way home with me. I think I'll just leave that log in the middle of the road so the next person that drives up the driveway hits it. Practical use number 2, you just go grab your bladed flail when you want to legally fill in the blank the person that's causing you so much road rage. And now it's perfectly legal for when I take it on the road. I got so much hate when I hauled my last invention through town, so I'm doing it again. The Hammock Hitch. Driving right by a cop, right by a cop. Everybody stay calm, stay calm. Idaho County Sheriff. Let's see if he comes back for me. I've passed 2 cops in the span of about 10 minutes. Nothing. So many people just sit there and laugh at you. That's what you need. We're driving by the police station again. There's no cop out front this time. That was a little close. I just cut a section out of a tractor tire and then stuck it on a pole with a winch and attached it all to my hitch. I am an engineer. I can legally perform OSHA examinations. Says it right there, just so you know it's completely safe for you and your family. Start performing that exam right now. It can go down, so that's a point. 1 point. It also goes up, that's also a point. It's already looking super safe to me. I'm gonna legally say it's legit. Start sending in your orders. It's gonna be about 10 grand because of how much peace and tranquility you get.